Hello everyone! Today we are going to make 4 delicious smoothies. Let's begin with a citrusy smoothie bowl. Begin by adding 2 large oranges, fresh and peeled, juice of freshly squeezed 1 lemon and 1 lime, 1 cup of frozen bananas and 1/3 of a cup coconut condensed milk. Blend the ingredients until they become a smooth, creamy texture. Once blended, add 1 tablespoon of pink pitaya powder for the color. Blend again until a smoothie texture is achieved. The smoothie is packed with vitamin C, vitamin A, and potassium, which helps to boost the immune system, improves the skin health, and reduces the blood pressure. The second smoothie is mango coconut. Start by adding 1 cup of frozen mango chunks, 1 cup of frozen coconut puree, splash of coconut milk. I made it myself. If you'd like to know the recipe, please leave the comment down below. Blend in high speed until smooth. Once blended, add pink pitaya powder, orange peel powder, blue spirulina, and beetroot powder. Blend again until the powder is fully incorporated and the smoothie is a vibrant color. Serve in a bowl and enjoy. The benefits of this smoothie is loaded with antioxidants, vitamins, and minerals. The mango and coconut provides a natural sweetness, while the powders give a boost of color and flavor. This smoothie is a great way to start the day as it's packed with energy and nutrients. You can decorate the smoothie as you wish. I decided to make a chocolate shell covered with sprinkles, granola. I made myself as well. I will link the recipe down below. The third recipe is strawberry chocolate. Begin by adding 2 frozen bananas, 1 cup of frozen strawberries, 1 tablespoon of vanilla extract, 1 tablespoon of cacao powder to the blender. Blend the ingredients until they become a smooth, creamy texture. Once blended, add the cacao powder, blend again. Place the smoothie into the bowl and decorate as you wish. I sprinkled on top with shredded coconut. The smoothie is packed with vitamin C, antioxidants, and a good source of dietary fiber from the strawberries and bananas. The cacao powder adds a boost of energy and rich chocolatey flavor. For the last recipe, I have passion fruit smoothie bowl. Begin by adding 1 cup of frozen passion fruit, 1 cup of frozen mango chunks, and half a banana. Pour a splash of mango juice for extra flavor. Add 1 teaspoon of blue spirulina powder for a boost of antioxidants. Blend until smooth, pour into the glass, and enjoy. This smoothie is a great way to get a dose of antioxidants, vitamins, and minerals. Passion fruit is full with vitamin A, which support healthy skin and eyes. The mango is a great source of vitamin C and potassium, while the banana provides dietary fiber and energy. The blue spirulina powder is a powerful source of antioxidants, which can help the body fight free radicals. Enjoy this smoothie for a delicious and nutritious treat. Thank you so much for watching and enjoy!